Welcome back or welcome if you're new here. Every Sunday I go through the best deals going on at Walgreens for the week. I walk you through each of the deals that I did. I share the best grocery deals going on. And then at the end of each video, I post pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. I also want to talk about some other promotions that are going on this week, so I'll be doing that as well. This week I had a spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, and I know I clipped it earlier in the week, but for some reason when I was going through my coupons in my saved coupon folder, it wasn't there. So I don't know if that happened to y'all, but I went ahead and put $20 worth of stuff in my cart, and the $5 did show that it was going to be awarded. And when I picked up my order, I did get the $5. So I don't know why it wasn't showing in my folder, but I remember clipping it and it did work. So in case you're wondering about that, that did work. Before I get into all of the Walgreens fun, I want to share with you literally my absolute favorite deal that I've done in the last couple of years. Hopefully by now you know if I say that, I am 100% genuine in that. So last night we went to a comedy show, and the tickets for where my seat was would have been $65 per ticket. I paid $0, okay? Tonight I'm going to downtown and I'm going to see another show, and I get to take my mom and she's super excited, and didn't pay for that either. So I want to share with you how I did that. So the platform is called DoMore. Now, the only downside is it's only available in select cities. I'm going to drop a link to it down below. You can see if there's a city that you live near or live in that qualifies. And I'm just telling you, this is so fun to do. So with my link, you can try this out for 3 months completely free. You get 2 tickets to an event each month. You can claim the tickets, you can transfer it to a friend, or you can release them and get different options of an event if there's more available. They also have something called last minute tickets, which I've been using quite a bit, where you can see everything that's going on that you can get a ticket for, and you can claim those once per week. Now, if you like it, so you go through the 3 months and you like it and you want to keep it, it is $5 total per month. And you get 2, like I said, the tickets last night where I was sitting would have been $65 a piece. And I loved it. I had a blast. So for me, that completely pays for it for the whole year. But I'm going to another show tonight, and literally walking back to the car after seeing the show, I got 2 more tickets for a show that I was really hoping to get tickets for that's this coming week. Now, I've mentioned a lot of tickets for me for 1 month. I have an account and my son has an account. So you can have, if you have 5 people in your family, you could have 5 different accounts. And that way you can get more than just the 2 tickets per month. Anyway, I 100% love it. Why not try it out if it's completely free for 3 months? I will drop my link down below. Use the promo code Christina. That gives you the free for 3 months. The link should take you directly there, but if it doesn't, just use that promo code Christina to get it for free those 3 months. Okay. Now let's get into the Walgreens deals. Let's talk about the 2 deals that you want to do in store. These are register reward deals, the Tresemme. They are buy 2, get a $5 register reward. They're $6 each. So buy 2, that's $12. Look in your digital coupons and clip that $4 digital. You'll pay $8. Then you'll get back a $5 register reward, making it $3 for both or $1.50 each. Yes, you can pay with register rewards or with Walgreens cash, and you're still going to get that register reward back. Now, I did this one in a separate transaction because it was giving that $5 register reward as well. So I went ahead and, to be safe, did it in a separate transaction because I wanted to make sure I was going to get that register reward. Funny thing, there was a red line on the register reward when this one printed. And I'm like, hey, I think that means the paper needs to be changed. And she's like, I think we're okay. It should do one more transaction just fine. I was like, all right, let's try it. It didn't work. It almost made it all the way through, but she was brand new. She was like, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to change the paper yet. Let me call my manager. And I'm like, no worries. And the manager came over, taught her how to change it. And then they ended up giving me Walgreens cash since the register reward like half printed. So they just made it simple for me, which I appreciated. Anyway, so these here, these Burt's Bees toothpaste are $3.50 each. You want to grab 2 of them because there is a $5 digital. Then pick up one of the Vivid toothbrushes at $3. There's a $1 digital for this one. So $5 digital, $1 digital. After those, you're going to pay $4, get back a $5 register reward, making it free, and a $1 moneymaker on all 3 of those items. So those are the deals that I did in store. The other one that you could do in store that's a register reward deal is on the Head and Shoulders. So if you like that product, they are $6 each. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward, and there's a $3 digital. So you would pay $9, get back that $4 register reward, making it $5 for both or $2.50 each. Now, I placed the rest of these as curbside, and y'all know that my store gives me a receipt for curbside because I ask them to scan it out with that regular product scanner, so I always get a receipt. But I wanted to do it online as a curbside order because there are 2 different promo codes. There is a promo code of OCT15 for 15% off a $25 or more purchase, or OCT20 for 20% off a $50 or more purchase. And I thought I was just going to do the 25, but I ended up doing the 50, and it's with the items that you see here. Let me talk you through it. The Arm & Hammer products, the pods, the actual liquid detergent, or the like crystals, $1.99 each, which is just a good sale price. Okay, the Walgreens brand razors. Now this was a monthly deal, so I've mentioned it before. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 3, get $3 in Walgreens cash. So pick up 3 of them. I did a mix of women and men because of the stock at my store. I paid $3.75 for all 3. Got back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it 75 cents or just 25 cents each. Now, that did not include that promo code that I told you about. So it was actually even cheaper after that promo code. I'm just going to tell you the price without the promo code, and then you can figure it out for yourself depending on what you're getting. After I got to the $50, my October 20 code took off an additional $8.33 from the stuff that you see here. Now, let's talk about the Cascade. This is $5.49. I had a $2.75 digital that made it just $2.74. This bigger thing of Cascade, I want to say it was cheaper last week, but I did it this week to help me get to that $50 mark. These are $16.49. But I had a $6.50 digital coupon that brought it down to $9.99, and of course that October 20 promo code took even more off. So $9.99 without the promo code. Now, I happened to see the ginger ale at 3 for $13.99. So 3 12 packs for $13.99. That's just a good price. So I added those to my cart to get to the $50. The Kleenex. This is a Shopkick deal using the Shopkick app, which I love. If you're not using it yet or you don't have it yet, it's completely free. I do have a full tutorial on it. Use the promo code SWC5 to earn yourself an additional $5 when you scan your first receipt. But these Kleenex here, the Ultra Soft, they are $2.49. When you purchase these, you're going to get $1.80 back on Shopkick, making it just 69 cents for the pack of Kleenex. And the last deal I did, this ended up getting a substitution, but it's on the CoverGirl mascaras. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off. There is a $2 digital coupon, and there is a $3 rebate on Ibotta. So what I wanted to do was pick up 2 of these purple ones here. $6.29 for one. The second one's gonna ring $3.14. There's a $2 digital. I paid $7.43. I got back $6 on Ibotta, so that already makes it just $1.43. But then you can submit your receipt to the ShopMe'em app to get another $2 back, because we only had one digital coupon, but we bought 2 products. So we can get the $2 on ShopMe'em back for the second product, making them both free and a 57-cent moneymaker. Now, the coupon does not attach to the blue ones, which is why I said it should be 2 of the purple. I believe the clear mascara also works as well. If you want to make sure, just scan it into your Ibotta app. I did get $6 back on Ibotta, but only the coupon attached to this purple one. All right, I think that was everything that I got. Let me tell you a few more deals that are going on this week. Fruit Loops are $2.99. There's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.99. The Kellogg's Red Berries cereal, that's also $2.99. The Ibotta rebate that I have is just 75 cents, so it's a little bit more expensive than the Fruit Loops. The cashews are on sale this week for $2.99. The toilet paper, Walgreens toilet paper, $1.99. The Nice brand chips are $1.99. The Walgreens or Nice brand cereal is $1.99. The Nice brand oats, $2.99. Trash bags, $1.99. The Werther's popcorn, there's still that Ibotta rebate. They were 2 for $6, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making it 2 for $4, or just $2 per bag of that Werther's popcorn. Not the best deal we've ever seen on that, but I wanted to mention it. Now, like I said, I did all of these except for the ones I told you I did in store as curbside. I used the code October20 to get the 20% off. It took off another $8.33. I got back the $5 for spending $20 with my digital booster. I got back the $3 on the razor, so I got back $8 in Walgreens cash, and then the money back on Ibotta. So pretty decent haul this week. Now there's a couple of coupons that I want to talk about, and I was trying to put this together online for you, but when I was in my app, it was glitching and telling me my address wasn't right or something, and I could not get it to work. So I might mess with this later on today. But I had 2 digital coupons for Halloween candy. One was getting $10 in Walgreens cash when I spent $31 or more. One was for getting 31% back when I spent $20 or more on candy. Now, the dates that those were applicable overlapped. So I believe if we spend $31, we would get not just the $10 back in Walgreens cash, but also the 31% back, which should lead to some really good deals, especially since a lot of the Halloween candy is buy one, get one free this week at Walgreens. The other digital coupon did not overlap. It was a earn $5 when you buy 4 Halloween items, and that was October 26th and 27th. So if you have a great scenario for any of those candy deals, let us know in the comments below. All right, am I forgetting anything? As always, anytime you buy the Procter & Gamble products, you want to submit your receipt to the PG Good Everyday program, because you get points back, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. So obviously I have a number of Procter & Gamble products, so I will be submitting my receipt there later to get points, and then cashing out to a gift card when I see that they are available. Now, questions, let me know. I am so close to 40,000 followers on Instagram. I don't pay too much attention to the numbers, but when it's sitting there at a 9.9, it's hard not to want it to push over to that next 0 mark. And I feel like I've been sitting at 39.9 for a really long time. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please find me at Save with Christina and follow me over there. I should be doing a giveaway over on Instagram soon. All right, y'all have a great week. Thanks.